Hey guys, welcome to Tracie's Place. Today I wanted to share with you this product that I purchased on Amazon. Now they did not pay me to review this product. I purchased this with my own money myself, but I will put the link down below in the description box if you want to purchase it. But this is something to clean your shower with, your grouted tiled shower. So as you all can see, it's a beautiful shower, but if you have been following me any length of time, you know I have two things that I do not like to do. I can say a strong word of hate to do. I know it don't sound too nice, but I hate to clean the shower and I hate to grocery shop. I know a lot of you are like, really? Yes, I love to eat, but I hate to grocery shop. I really do. But this shower, you all, is a job and a half, and many of you all know who have grouted tile showers know that it is something else to clean, and it's really hard for like older people to clean. So I think this apparatus would be good for seniors to use also. But if you're trying to stay on top of cleaning your shower, I think this would be a good product. Now, this is so hard because this is not, and I think I said this is, something that my husband made. And it's gorgeous, it's beautiful, I love it. But it's hard to keep clean because it's not glazed over. It's one of those kind of matte type showers, and the grout is like there. It's not glazed over anything, so it like sucks everything up. And you would have to clean this like every other day, and there is no way you could just, nobody cleans their shower every day, You rinse it down or whatever, but as far as just deep cleaning it, nobody does that. And I used to feel bad, but I started talking to people and found out that other people hate cleaning their tile grouted showers too. And I found so many YouTube videos back to back trying to give tips on how to clean it. Everybody's wondering how to clean it, how to do, So it's a beautiful shower, but when you get down to the scum, you all, oh my goodness, it's hard to keep this low, the piece down here low, clean. It's hard to keep it clean, and mold is very easy to mold when it's not glazed over, especially the grout is hard. So anyway, I let this go a couple of days so you all could just see what I'm working with, and you all know I keep a clean house, but I wanted to let this go just a couple of days so you can see how this little apparatus works. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to show you what it is. Okay, so here it is. And this is what it looks like. And I guess this is a little instructional booklet. So these are the brushes. Okay, that's that. And then some of the attachments here. And let's see what else. Okay, that's the power cord and everything. Let's see, there's another brush. Okay, an attachment. Here's the handle and everything. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get this kind of assembled, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like assembled, and then I'm going to go ahead and test it out and show you how it works. So that's everything that comes in it, and I'll try to, at the end, go over some of the tools and different things with you, okay? But that's the unboxing. That's everything that comes with it. There's the 3 brush heads there. That's the head that you put the brushes on. And then I guess this attaches to the handle to hold something. I'm not sure yet. Got the little power cord and then the handle, and you have instructions, okay? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I have to take those gloves off, but we're going to go ahead and get everything unpackaged. Let's see here. I'm going to take that off. So we are going to assemble this, and I'm going to use the extension part because that was one of the problems and one of my issues in hating to clean the shower, along with it being so hard to clean, scrubbing it, but you had to bend over, you had to get on your knees, you had to get in the shower to reach up or get on some kind of step stool to get up high. And this has an extension wand, so this is going to make it so easier to clean. Okay, so it looks like you, okay, you just press it together like that. We're going to attach the head to the extension piece. Let's see, I think you do it like that. Yep. And there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and put the cord on. Okay, and I apologize. I said the power cord, but it's not. It's a battery. Okay, so here it is. I've gotten the cord untangled, and it appears, let's see. Sometimes these instructions are so sketchy, and that's why I like to do it for people on camera so that they can feel comfortable doing it. So you just insert it there at the end. And I had to find it on the end because I had to search a little bit, but it was on the end. And what you do is you go ahead and plug it up, and it's going to charge. So I'll let you know when I come back how long it took to charge. I want to make sure the button, I guess it's already off. It's just like a little spongy kind of button there. And I'm going to plug it up and get it charged. So I'm just going to go ahead and charge it in my bathroom. And it's on red. Hopefully it's charging up. But the button turns red, and I guess when it charges up, it turns green. Alright, so it is charged up now, and it took about 7 hours. On the papers it said it would take about 10 hours. It took about 6 or 7. So it's charged, so let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box back up. It is actually, you guys, the next day I let that thing charge overnight. Yes, I did. Because it was close to the evening when I was trying to film before and did not know that I'd have to let the battery charge for so long. So, yeah, it's the next day. So, as you know, I've unplugged this from the outlet. And I'm going to go ahead and take this out now. Close this up. Oh, real quick before we get started, I'm going to show you what these brushes do. It's 3 brushes that come with it. And before we get the brush assembly together, so I'm going to use this one first. This is the corner brush. And it's great for cleaning grout, corners, and light surfaces. This one here is the dome-shaped brush. And it's good for all-around cleaning. It's an all-around cleaning brush. And this flat brush, it's ideal for large jobs with lots of flat surface. Lots of flat surface. So those are the 3 brushes and what they do. I'm going to go ahead and get started with this one because I want to get at that mold in the corners and in the grout lines. So back in the bathroom, this is the scrubber head. And you see the attachment piece or the attachment area is the scrubber brush. So there's a left side and the right side. That's where it clicks in. So we're just going to put it on like so. Get it. Now it's time to change the brushes. So you just pull. Here is the brush I'm going to use. It's the flat brush. And you just match it up. And it clicks right on. It's very easy, just slides on, and it comes off the same way. Just push it a little bit, and it comes right off. So I'm going to use this Comet Classic Foam Bath Cleaner, and it has bleach in it. I got this from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this on, and let's see what we're working with. I'm going to try not to get in the way of the camera. Probably see my shadow. Okay, so I have the towel sprayed down, and as you all can see, this is super long, so it's excellent for seniors or if you have back problems or anything like that. This is a lifesaver right here. So what you want to do is wet the brush. You don't want to ever submerge the head into water, just wet the brush. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start scrubbing since I already have the towel sprayed down. And here's the on button. And this is what it looks like spinning. So you just want to go ahead and it has good spin action, so let's see what it does. So I am back, and up top and everything is beautiful. You know, all clean and everything. Like I said, this is all marble, so this is not dirt, this is marble. But down here, you guys, I am not that pleased. It's still, the scum is so hard to come off. And the brush was not spinning, you know, so fast to bust up that scum. And I did let the cleaner sit on it and everything. I apologize, the lighting is kind of bad. You can probably see my shadow really good, but yeah, the scum is not letting up. The scrubber just doesn't rotate fast enough, and you cannot push it. The instructions and even people on other reviews say don't push it or you can damage it. You're just supposed to put the brush on the tile and just press just a little bit, but you're not supposed to push it because it can damage the tool. So yeah, I'm not very pleased with that. Now if you have a glazed shower, if you have already glazed shower and you don't have this, you know, grout like this that's unglazed and different things like that, this will be perfect for you. It will be perfect for you. If you have something easy to clean or that smooth shower, I don't know if it's acrylic background or whatever it is, but you know, those smooth shower encasings, this is perfect for you. But I'm going to have to use my Old Faithful, this Brillo scrubber, and get down in there and just use some good old elbow grease, some good old grit from Arm Strength, and get this shower clean, you guys. But I'll leave the link below in case you want to purchase it. And like I said, if you have one of those smooth encasings or, you know, the acrylic encasing, or I'll try to put the name of it down below. This tool will be perfect for you. Just perfect. And yeah, it will probably clean flooring real good or whatever, but when it's water scum or mold or whatever from showers and grout, this is not the best, in my opinion. That's my opinion and how I used it today, how it performed for me today. I was not the most satisfied. So, like I said, if you have something different than what I do, it may clean well for you. I'll leave the link below. All right, blessings. Bye.